Hello there. Today let us talk some things about the newly launched Galaxy Watch 6 by Samsung. It is the 6th generation wearable from this company. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about some new features in the Samsung Watch 6. Firstly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. This time, company seems to be concentrated on sleep tracking because they introduced a new feature called Sleep Coach in this watch series. For this feature, you need to wear this watch for at least 7 days, so that the Samsung Health app can record the data by taking from the watch, and it gives you some suggestions to improve your sleep. The craziest thing here is it can also detect you snore. This watch can periodically measure your heart rate and it notifies you when irregular rhythm of beat is detected. Now you can target your preferred intensity to maintain the heart rate you need to achieve your goals. It can notify you when you cross your target. It helps you to know how much amount of body fat, skeletal muscle and about your inside your body. Coming to the watch overview, it has the largest display ever in the Galaxy watches and it has thinner bezels. It has IP68 water and dust resistance. It has durable crystal glass which protect display from scratches. Samsung has upgraded the processor. This helps you to launch the apps fastly and makes your watch run smoothly. You can now charge your watch from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, and company claims that one full charge lasts for 40 hours. It tracks your fitness with performance insights on distance, duration, calories burned and more with this watch. You can call, text and stream music right from your watch. You can use Galaxy Watch as camera controller. You will see the camera preview right in your watch screen. With the LTE version of this watch, you can make hands-free calls and messages without having a phone with you. You can also make contactless payments using Samsung Wallet from your watch. This watch has fall detection feature, which detects fall and make contact to the nearest emergency services. That's it for the today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.